My cup of tea. I knew you'd pipe up, mate. I knew you'd love it. Let's see. Yeah, it's got the heart of a Saab in it. HSV back there as well. You had a GTE as well, did you? Welcome back, Ida. Oh. You're back. Get on all right. No, I've not seen an Ampera. That was the one with the generator, wasn't it? The electric. Oh. Petrol Jenny that powered the electric motor. Let's have a look. Triple Eight. That was that not Thirlby? They're down the road to us in Lincolnshire. If it is. Keep Triple Eight release my Vauxhall turn. Oh. Rotten leaving the factory. This is cool. So could someone tell me, obviously Triple Eight, was that... Because I know when the Triple Eight Stealth was done for the Astra SRI, they did it with the 1.9 diesel, didn't they? And that was Thirlby Tuning, or Thirlby Motors that did it. Did they do the same with this other stuff, or was it separate? Ida, thank you for the potatoes with ice creams. We might need some with this weather today. Oh, it was Thirlby. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's a shame they're not going anymore. I think last time I went past there, I'm pretty sure it's like an MG garage now or something. Just tidy. You need to go buy some ice cream. Or even better, Ida, go over to your parents, check their freezer and nick their ice cream if they've got any. It tastes better.
It's better when you don't have to pay